Now we worked on the sealing side and the bonding side of this amazing product. So what we're going to do is we're going to push the boundaries of performance to the limit. What we're going to do is we're going to create an underwater structural bond. We have one brick submerged, totally submerged in water. We're going to apply the product like so. And we're going to attach the two bricks. So what you'll see here is an immediate underwater structural bond. You can actually break this bond, like so. Most products, when you break the bond, what happens is they won't go back together. With this product, not only will they go back together, but they'll reattach underwater, like so. So that's the performance levels of this amazing product, OB1.